you think about moving to Miami Beach, we're at 4532 Sheridan Ave. We're taking a look at a 4-bedroom, 4-bath rental. You guys won't believe this property tour. Take a look at this living room. This is absolutely incredible. I'm gonna first show you the first bedroom. So right off the entryway, we come on in. You have a great sized bedroom with lots of natural light. You'll notice that the windows are impact windows and you have both corners, so you have east and north exposure. Again, huge size, nice closet right over here, nice deep closet, which is hard to come by in these types of houses. So making our way through this little hallway, you do have a full bath right over here. Take you guys into the bath and you'll notice something special are these arches. The owners, they've maintained a lot of the Art Deco design here. So you'll see the arches, you have a full bath and a tub. Awesome cozy den. You have nice bookshelves. It is a little bit of a rainy day outside, so I think this is the perfect spot to sit, maybe watch TV. And again, you just have some really awesome storage. I'm talking about the storage because I've been in a lot of houses in this neighborhood and it's really hard to come by storage. They either have like an IKEA bookshelf set up and that's your storage, or it's just not sufficient. So you have this den area, and from the den, we're gonna walk right into the galley kitchen. And what's really unique about this house is that the owners, again, have kept a lot of the Art Deco elements. So they've kept a lot of the switch plates, these guys right here, where you can turn on and off the lights. Nice galley kitchen, gas range, lots of natural light. So you have 2 windows from the outside, and then you have really great size dining area. The floors are original. So if you take a look, you have these beautiful terrazzo floors that are original. And then working our way through the living room, beautiful red piano and just great furniture. Fun fact is that the Raleigh Hotel, when they were selling out a lot of their furniture, the owners, they snagged a lot of pieces. So right up here, this fixture, this light fixture, is snagged from the Raleigh Hotel and a couple other details. The house is on 2 ACs, so you have an AC unit downstairs and you have an AC unit upstairs. Heading upstairs, we're gonna first take a look at one of the bedrooms. And again, Art Deco. I'm gonna let you guys see if you can identify that Art Deco piece here, but I don't know if you can tell, these walls, they have their rounded, they're not straight corners. Like the house next to us is a modern house. It's just like a square block, but they really don't build houses like this anymore with like the rounded corners. So this bedroom's cool because through the closet, it's like a closet inside of a closet. So you have this area here, you have another closet that's built out, and then same thing, you have a bathroom, stand-up shower, waterfall, and again, the arches, the Art Deco arches. This room also has those corner windows, so you have the exposure from both sides, and it has a balcony, which we'll go out to on a second. Now we are in the primary, beautiful king-size bed, really nicely furnished. You have everything that you need. You have a little dresser, and then you have seating area, you have a desk, then you also have your balcony. Super quiet residential area. This is just another nice place to sit. Not 1, 2 balconies. And then here is the west balcony that is going to face the pool. So we will go down there in a second. We're just gonna finish up the upstairs with the master bathroom. All right, and I told you storage is not an issue. So really quick, you have his storage, you do have another bookshelf here, and then you have her storage. So I don't think that there's any issues with storage in this house. You have it covered. Just bring all your personal items. The furniture stays. This is a furnished rental. And then you have a huge bathroom. So a really nice soaking tub, just kind of right in the middle. Then you have the separate vanities, his and hers. You have your water closet here with the toilet, a stand-up shower, and then again, more storage. And what a fun artwork. All right, now we're gonna head downstairs to the pool. Let's go. So now we're outside. We're taking a look at the pool and the barbecue area. You have a barbecue, a heated pool, and the pool you can control the temperature with your phone, which is really cool. And one of my favorite features about these types of houses is that they usually have a guest house or a cottage. If you have any questions about the property, or if you're thinking about moving to Miami Beach and you're not thinking about buying, but maybe you just want a rental first, this is the perfect house for you to get a taste of Miami Beach living without committing to it fully, right? So if you have any questions, send me a message. My contact information is in the show description below. Thank you so much, Liz and Gianni, for having me at your listing. I'll include a link to the listing in the show description. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.